So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for Chainlink, give you all the updated price prediction for this particular cryptocurrency because it's been an extremely long period of time. The last time I did a price prediction for Chainlink was back in April. So here it is today, September the 22nd. So yeah, it's due for us to go ahead and see if we can drop another prediction for this market. So welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. We are here to give you all information according to the price charts only. So let's go ahead and talk about what happened to the price action in Chainlink the last time we did it back in April. So you guys can see that it really didn't take too long for the market to come to our ultimate TP price, which was right here at this buy pocket around $10.45 or so, which was around, let's see, that was around 27% move to the downside, maybe like in a week or so. So that was a pretty good call there for us to see the market move in that direction. Ever since then, that was the bottom. And then the market in Chainlink began to go higher to where it ran all the way up here to $28 on August 22nd, 2025. So let's go ahead and clean up this chart first of all. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this buy pocket right here in Chainlink. And we're going to add another one right here. And let's get rid of this sell pocket. This sell pocket, this one, and this one. Now we're going to add a buy pocket right here for Chainlink. And let's create another one right here. Okay, so now we already seen price in Chainlink take out this sell pocket, so we can actually get rid of that one and create a new sell pocket for Chainlink, which is going to be right here. Okay. Let's go ahead and make that into a sell pocket. And let's do one more. There we go. Okay, so now currently you can see that the market is down in Chainlink, maybe about 7%. Not too bad considering that we are now noticing price trying to get the buyers, trying to pick up some more buyers to see the market in chain is going to continue to either go higher or see if it's going to maintain the trading range. Okay, so we're going to try to figure that out to see if that's going to occur for Chainlink. Here it is on the 2. Okay, because currently you can see that the market is making lower highs in this space. So we might need to consider that Chainlink is entering a new phase or a downtrend into the market. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Chainlink on the 4 real quick. I really don't like it in the sense that the market is bullish, only except the fact that buyers are currently entering the market right now. So this may be the bottom into the market in Chainlink just for a short period of time, because don't forget that we are in a downtrend for Chainlink. Look at this on the 5. I don't like the 5-day time frame neither. 12 hours, 47 minutes left, and the market is still looking pretty bearish or weak. Let's look at this on the weekly chart. Okay, here it is on the 2. I think it's going to be important on how the market concludes on the weekly and the 2 weekly time frames. So come back in the next 6 days and 13 hours to see how this weekly price bar prints, and as well as on the 2 weeks. So make sure you guys come back and look at that. Here it is on the 3, 5. Let's look at this on 11-hour chart. So yeah, you guys can see what the buyers are trying to come in at. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. Chainlink on the 330. So yeah, right now it's kind of like a wait and see to get these buyers, see if they're still interested or attracted to this price point in Chainlink around $2.70 all the way up here to $21.05. If that's the case, then the market will continue to lift up higher. Now that may just be for a short time frame to where buyers can bring price back up to 23, maybe even 24, and then come back down. So definitely keep that in mind if you're anticipating this cryptocurrency seeing higher prices. Okay, so outside of that buy pocket, it might be another one that we can create. Let's see. Okay, so we'll make this area into a pocket of buying too. And this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and anticipate Chainlink giving us some more weakness, even though we do recognize that price is currently bouncing off this pocket. This could go against our prediction, seeing that the market's already hitting a buy pocket. We could see the price lift from here, so I definitely want to make mention of that to you all. But since we don't cover this cryptocurrency on a day-to-day basis, on an intraday basis, we're going to try to play this out on the long term. And our next target is going to be right there, this middle buy pocket, around 19 bucks. That's 10.94% there. And then our next target is going to be around like $18, 15.59% there. Okay. So yeah, we'll go ahead and see if there's enough weakness and or selling in the market for Chainlink to allow the market to continue to hit one of those two targets. It might hit, you know, 16 bucks in the long term, but we'll definitely see that play out as we continue to see this market trade for the month of September going into October. So we'll leave this here and we'll come back and see what occurs into this particular space. I really think in the short term it's going to try to lift and try to go higher, but definitely on the weekly charts, the weekly to 2 weeks, we can definitely see the weakness there being exhibited. So let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.